This SQL interview question is widely known as rolling sum question. The question goes like this. Suppose if I have sales data inside a table along with year and month, I should write an SQL logic to get an output column which contains net sales until the month from the beginning of the year. For example, if we consider 2022 sales, first month's net sales should be 50, second month should be 100 plus 50, 150, third month should be 700 plus 100 plus 50, 850. Now coming to 2023's year, first month's net sales, I'm still expecting it to come as 100. I'm not, I don't want 2022's sales should be added here. Now coming to second month, it should be 6000 plus 100, 6100. Similarly, 2024's first month, it should be 900. To achieve that, we have to use Windows function. If you are new to Windows function, I will give you a quick walkthrough of the syntax. This is the basic syntax of Windows function. Along with the columns inside the table, here is where you will give the function that you want to apply, and inside over clause, you are communicating to the compiler that this function has to be applied after grouping by all the rows inside the table into some particular sets based on the criteria that you are defining here. Next, inside each set that we have created above, first order by based on the columns that we are defining here. Next, this frame definition you can think of as dynamic subset creation inside each set that we got from here. If I have to give an example, the solution that we have here is an example. First, we'll see the output of this. Here we have achieved what we wanted. First month net sales is 50, second month 150, third month 850. Here first month only 100, being exclusive from 2022 sales. Now let's see what we have defined here. Sum of sales should be done, but before you have to group by all the rows of this table based on the year. So that is what we are asking, partition by year. This has to be a set, this has to be a set, and this has to be a set. Next, inside each set, order by all rows based on year and month in ascending order. So ordered by ascending order. Next, after ordering by, whenever you are when we are communicating to compiler, right? So whenever compiler is trying to do sum of sales, it has to consider the sales values of the current row along with all the preceding rows. That is what we are communicating here, rows between unbound preceding and current row. For example, if the compiler is at this stage, it first has created this as a set, then it has to consider sales of this along with all the sales that come above. So none above, only 50. If compiler comes here 100, all the sales that comes above 50, 150. When the compiler is at third month, it has to consider 100, 50 and 700, so 850. Now next, when it goes to 2023 first month, even though we are asking it to consider all the sales above, in the beginning itself we exclusively asked partition by year, so this set will not be considered to this set, so it doesn't go into 2022's rows. Now that is a solution for this rolling sum question. Before winding up, I want to talk about one more thing. This order by is there, right? Don't confuse this order by with the order by that you define here. Let's see the output of this. See here, the output is it feels random, but it is not random. What's happening here is this order by will be executed at the very end after execution of all these things. The coding order and execution order is as follows. This Order by will come after execution of select. So that is why first it is applying sum. For second month it is 100, third month it is coming as 800, first month it is coming as 850. So first it is applying whatever we have asked in this Windows function, then it is ordering. So that is the reason. Don't confuse this order by with the order by that we define here.